Blink finally did it. This is the all-new Blink Wire Doorbell 2K Plus. If you've been waiting for a budget-friendly doorbell that doesn't require you to swap out rechargeable batteries every few months, this is it. Inside the box is super clean presentation. You get the main unit, which feels incredibly solid and features an IP65 rating, the wall mounting plate, standard screws, anchors, a handy drill template, and a bypass cable for the existing chime box. Now what makes this 2K model a massive leap compared to the previous generation is the 1920x1920p resolution. Because it is 1:1 aspect ratio, it gives you a true head-to-toe view. You aren't just seeing a visitor's face, you're seeing the packages sitting directly on your welcome mat. Second, look at the back, no battery compartment. This runs on continuous hardwired power from existing doorbell lines or separate 24V plug-in adapter. That means zero downtime, a faster 24 frames per second capture rate, and a better processing power for features like local tone mapping, which balances out harsh sunlight and dark shadows automatically. First impression, for a budget price, Blink is bringing serious value here. You get the crisp 2K video, continuous power, and a heavy integration with Alexa, like automatically pulling up a live view on your Echo Show the second someone rings it. Remember, because this is fully wired version, you won't trigger your mechanical indoor chime directly. You want to use an Echo device or Blink chime to hear it in the house. At the end of the day, a porch camera is only good if it catches the whole story. With that crisp 2K video and zero delivery blind spots, this is the easiest way to bulletproof your front door against porch pirates without breaking the bank.